In today's high-stakes world of industrial automation, even a few minutes of downtime can mean major losses. From factory floors to assembly lines, reliability is key. That's why manufacturers across industries turn to Amphenol TPC wire and cable.
In the factory automation environment, technicians are challenged in two ways. One is the mechanical environment that the cable is being placed into. The other is scheduling and logistical challenges that they face in repairs and downtime. There are risks and hazards associated with abrasion, signal degradation, continuous flexing, twisting, bending, all different types of motion that are all repetitive. The second challenge is lead time. There's often an urgency around either initial installation and testing or repairs for downtime that happen in a production facility.
With over 40 years of experience, Amphenol TPC doesn't just build cable, we engineer solutions. Even in the most extreme applications, our products don't just survive, they perform.
Amphenol TPC has a lot of experience. We've been in the most critical and toughest automated environments in the world. Automotive plants, sawmills, glass and bottling facilities. Our products have seen these applications. Our people have seen these applications. Our product lines have grown with our customers, which is really important and really sets us apart from someone who's just manufacturing a product. We're manufacturing and designing a solution to fix a customer problem.
At ATPC, we have a team of experts dedicated to engineering product lines and custom solutions to support our industrial automation, auto integrator, and original equipment manufacturer customer base.
We understand the pressure that maintenance technician and engineers are under, especially when we're talking about a fast installation that's done right. When you use a cable assembly, it's plug and play. It's manufactured in a controlled environment. It's tested and validated to the wiring diagram. So our customers can trust that it's going to be right the first time. All of the materials are compatible with overmolded back shells. We can do a field installable connector, things that help improve their efficiency so that they could solve that challenge and then move on to the next maintenance issue.
For manufacturers who can't afford to stop, Amphenol TPC wire and cable keeps automation moving. Engineered for extremes, proven on the floor. Explore our full lineup at tpcwire.com.